Today I want to say about aluminum equipment details. How to do business with aluminum equipment. Especially, it is a very good business. Aluminum equipment. There are a lot of domestic and industrial products from this metal. Here are some small scale aluminum business ideas will be there. India earns export revenue every year from this metal. Our country also exports aluminum products including scrap, powder and flakes, rods, bars, foils and sheets, pellets, tubes and pipes, etc. Aluminum bottles and so many. I want to give some examples relating to making aluminum bottles, aluminum cans, and aluminum casting, and aluminum doors and windows, and aluminum foil containers, aluminum phosphate, and aluminum proof caps, aluminum powder, and aluminum sulfate, and aluminum utensils, and all these are there. These you can producers can make it, but aluminum finished goods also, but some small scale industries will be there. They need not to make everything aluminum from their manufacturing unit. They can get the aluminum sheets and aluminum core from the main factories to them. Then they can design again like with their requirement products, required products, aluminum equipment and aluminum bottles, cans and doors and windows, foil containers and proof caps, aluminum powder also they can take it, and aluminum sulfate, aluminum utensils, likewise so many things they can produce. But every product will be with particular dyes. They should, for every dye, there will be an engine, there will be a machine. In that machine only, that aluminum sheet will press out, then it will give in an aluminum container shape. So, likewise, product making is very identical and unique from um, company to company. So, it will be very accurate, and machinery is also available in the market. IndiaMart.com is there, and Alibaba.com is there. You can get aluminum dies also for spoons making, aluminum spoons making, aluminum plates making, and all utensils. So many utensils are there. All these, for every utensil, one die will be there. Those dies also selectively, according to their capability, they have to take it. Then only it will be successful. But aluminum sales is also a long run sales. You cannot you cannot get the profit in a day. Suppose aluminum mugs are there. If you while taking aluminum sheet in the long run, then every day 10 to 20 or something according to their capability, they can make aluminum utensils and aluminum mugs. And the sales also will be done with dealers. So it is another business. Making is one art, and endorsing to dealers is another art. And that dealers will sell those products according to their choice of service. So in this also, for the long run, so many dealers are there to sell this type of products. So that is also one art. So making is very easy, but it is also difficult. But making products, selling is the difficult thing in aluminum, because it is a long run and a long, it's not instant product. Suppose rice is there, that is instant. Suppose rice is there, that is instant. But not aluminum spoons. You can purchase this month or next month or anything, because they can use so many substitutes. So business will be it will not come business instantly, but long run slow and steady growth will be there to the aluminum factories. So those are the choices in that. Everyone should take the license in, making products and business also. Registration of business with ROC and a registrar of companies. You should first register your making unit, and trade license you should take, which type of product you are selling, and VAT registration is also must, and then quality standards will be given by the aluminum board, that is industrial standards 1948 to 61 is there, 49 to 61 is there, and 70 IS 4571 to 1977 is there. These will be given by the aluminum boards and authorities. So you need not worry about those. If your products are good and you are able to sell through dealers, then it is enough to you to run the business. Actually, that is ISO 4571 is the specification of aluminum extension ladders for fire brigade use, and you should get a NOC also from control board. NOC means no objection certificate, because at the time of making any pollution may come, sound may come, and some other things also will come into the notice. So no objection certificate you should get from the pollution control board. That is also most important. And the trade license is most important. Trade license for which products and process you should understand. These are the license things. Utility of aluminum is always there, but it will take instant business. It will take in the long run. How do you make aluminum foil paper? The aluminum foil paper making. Aluminum foil is produced by rolling sheet ingots cast from molten billet aluminum, then re-rolling on sheet and foil rolling mills to the desired thickness, or by continuously casting and cold rolling. These are the aluminum foil paper how to make. But I want to say this: any type of product, if you want to make, suppose foil paper. Yes, specifically foil paper means you can get search in Google how to make aluminum foil paper. That means you will get the complete description and the raw material and everything. You can get the details in Google, and as well as in YouTube also you will get the foil paper making process, making uses, and how to make it. Everything you will get it. But I want to give in this video is I want to give an idea how, because you are in the metal industry, you are specifically your business. So so many businesses are there in the world. So you can select in this aluminum industry also in a comfortable way. But first thing is, first you can study the Google search for example, I am saying aluminum foil paper making, and then YouTube videos also aluminum foil paper making. Then you can get the details of the list of aluminum foil paper making list. You can study those and understand it. Then you should have from practical experience also relating to your industry and friendly industries. You can get first experience in that sample industry 3-4 months. Then you can start the business. Everything you 3-4 not 3-4 months also. Around 6 months you should study the project process and the plant process and the dealership process. Everything you should study. Then you can start this type of business. It is an example I am saying. So first you should have a project. Project, when it will come, first you see the Google search engine. In Google search engine, you will get the information of the products, raw materials and machinery also. Then you go to YouTube videos, how to process it and all these things. You can see easily and directly. Then you can take a step to start a small scale industry, to start a business. Then it will be comfortable to you. This is the information I want to give you. And here, much of so many companies are there providing extrusion, fabrication, and finishing solutions, often with a single source of business model that delivers a value-added component to commercial customers. So all these things you can get the information about aluminium utility details I am saying as small scale business. And aluminium sulfate, another name of this product is alum, the industrial item with huge market potential. The major area of use for alum is in water treatment and clarification. Other major areas of use are in sizing of paper. Start the business with small startup capital. So aluminum powder, it is also will be highly useful. This is an industrial item and product has huge demand in the industry. It comes to fine granular powder. The item is not granular. I am saying about it comes as a fine granular powder. This item is not exempted by the Pollution Control Board. You must obtain a clearance certificate from the Pollution Control Board as per the requirements, because powder making is something feels with it. Pollution will come by that. But means air pollution and so much of things are there. So you should get permission from control board to making especially aluminum powder. But aluminum powder will be useful to make specific utensils, nuts, bolts, rings, hands, likewise. So many are there. And utensils also you can make with aluminum powder. If aluminum powder bags has come to the small scale unit, means they can do so many utensils. The work also will run in months together. So aluminum powder is also having very good demand. And aluminum pilfer-proof caps. This is also essential items. Liquid packaging industry, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, chemical companies, and food industry and distillers. As glass bottle closers are the major consuming sectors. The pilfer-proof caps provide. So the product has good demand in the product has a good demand in the market, and you can initiate the business with a moderate capital investment. Foil containers and other utensils are foil containers, doors and windows. Because only with doors and windows, so many industries are raising nowadays for construction purpose. Standard Doors Private Limited and Standard Windows Private Limited and Standard Small Window Private Limited. Likewise, so many are there. So windows, standard doors and windows means always they will provide images also about what are the standard doors for every home. Not only home, in offices also they will use. Need not go for any other company or any person to talk and to start also. So start, but you should have a basic background of work experience in manufacturing units, Suppose you are in manufacturing line. So if you are in business means business leadership, how you can take and how to supply all these things. First you should have basic experience. So it is better to swim through 3 to 4 months in the particular area, in unit or shop or business or manufacturing unit. Then you will be successful.